Hello! Continuing the Herman Miller Mirra 2 series videos, we will show you how to easily replace the Mirra 2 back, whether as a whole with the spine or partially without a spine. Let's start. First of all, you need to remove the seat to have access to the back. We have a dedicated video for replacing the seat, which you will find a link to in the description. Next, unbolt the 2 bottom screws. To have access to the screws in the spine's base, you need to push the back a bit as shown. To fully remove the back, unbolt the 2 screws in the spine's base. You can now remove the back and lumbar. Now, insert the new back and lumbar in the shown angle. Inserting them at a 90-degree angle will not secure them properly. In case you only want to replace the Mirra 2 lumbar, you can also follow the same steps without necessarily replacing the back. Reinsert the bolts on the back of the spine's base and tighten them. To remove the back without the spine, start by removing the clips on both sides using a screwdriver. Align the back onto the hooks and snap it. Insert the screws on the bottom and tighten them, and insert the clips on both sides again. Now you know how to replace the back or lumbar easily. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates.